These shoes are the most popular Jordan 1s right now. Unfortunately, they cost over $1,000, but I was able to get some from Hotkicks for 1/10 of the price, and I will be legit checking them for you guys to see if they're truly one-to-one or not. Everything I say in this video about these shoes are going to be my honest opinion, and I am not getting paid to say anything good about them. I'm just doing this for free so you don't end up getting scammed. Now let's get right into it. Getting into the box, you can see it came in pretty much perfect condition, except there is a little rip there. Otherwise, it has all the correct logos, and then the size tag looks good as well. If you guys see anything wrong with that or anything else in this video, please comment down below. It is hard to check every single thing, and sometimes I miss some things, so just make sure to let me know down in the comments. But opening up the box, you can see it does have the wrapping paper with all the correct logos there. The wrapping paper doesn't feel cheap. It actually feels like a wrapping paper material, which is good. Taking the first shoe out, I'll give you guys a quick 360 of it, and this shoe does feel actually really light, which is a good sign because Jordan 1 lows are pretty light. And then taking out the second one as well, I'll show you guys it. It should look the exact same. And both of them did come with this tag here. I will actually cut it off for one of these shoes just so it's easier for you guys to look at. But I'm not gonna lie, the shoe does look good right off the bat. The suede is actually really active, as you could see. And then all the logos look good as well. It's got the cactus jack there, the face on the back. This logo looks good. The tongue logos look good. I could say already, if you're wearing these out in public, nobody's gonna be able to tell that they're fake at all. But just in case your friend takes it off your foot and starts doing a legit check on them, I will do a legit check for you guys with side-by-side photos. Getting into the first legit check, it's gonna be this inside tongue tag. Fake ones usually have way too bolded of text, and the font usually just looks inconsistent. But I'm not gonna lie, Hotkicks actually did a really good job with these. I think it looks just like the authentic picture. The next legit check is going to be the suede check, which we already did, but when you put your finger over it, it should just move with your finger. I hope you can see it on camera, but Hotkicks actually did a really good job with that. So it definitely passes the suede check. The next legit check is going to be the logos on the back of the shoe. On the fake pairs, the stitching is usually thicker, which causes it to just be overly textured. The real pair should just have thinner stitching, and I'm not gonna lie, I just think it's how the authentic picture was taken. I think this pair did a good job with it, and I just say that because this stitching is not as thick as the fake pair picture, but honestly, it's pretty hard to tell. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And on this pair, the R usually looks too thin, and actually I do see some pretty noticeable flaws on that J. You can't see a curved line. It looks just like an I, and then the line on the A also gets cut off. I think those actually might be flaws. Let me know in the comments if the real shoe's like that or not, but I feel like that could be a flaw. The next legit check is going to be the side logo. This line right here should cross the stitching, and I'm not gonna lie, this pair actually did not do that. So that is one of the little flaws of this shoe. Otherwise, the K should be a little visible, which it is, and then the U should be touching the top of this, which also it's not. So this pair did mess up on those few things. If somebody knows that off the top of their head, that's pretty impressive, and they might realize that, but otherwise the rest of the shoe is so perfect, I think it makes up for it. And then this side should do the exact same thing, which it also didn't. It almost just looks like they placed it too high, which is unfortunate, but I don't think anybody will realize that unless they're a legit checker for GOAT. The next legit check is going to be the reverse swoosh, and pretty much all you're checking for is how straight this logo is. Fake pairs will usually be really curvy on the edges and just won't look as straight, but this pair actually did a really good job with that. I think it passes there. For the next legit check, it's going to be this logo here. On fake pairs, the three lines are usually way too close to the C, but on this pair, I think they actually did it good, and it is further apart, just like the authentic picture. Anyways, that was it for all the legit checks. Hotkicks did do a really good job with these, except there were a few flaws. I don't think they're noticeable at all to any normal person. Regardless, they did provide the best batch, so this is the best of the best you can get. My overall rating for the shoe would be a 7.5 out of 10. The box was really good, and the shoe itself was amazing. Like, it feels like it's high quality. Just the only flaws were this logo and then the back of this logo. Otherwise, the rest of the shoe they did perfect. I know suede is a big thing, and they did that perfect. So shout out to Hotkicks. Make sure to go check out their website down in the description below. They do have a lot of reviews, and they provide the best quality batches of shoes. They literally have every single Jordan in every single colorway, every single designer shoe, and literally every other sneaker that you can think of. And they have really good prices, so make sure to go check them out. Also, make sure to use code HAUL25 to get $25 off. That will be free shipping along with a little discount on the shoe itself. Make sure to comment down below what other shoes you'd like to see me review. I do read and respond to every single comment, and every single comment that I see does give me more motivation to make these videos for you guys. Also, make sure to join my Discord down below. I'm probably doing a giveaway in there right now, so make sure to go join. Anyways, without wasting any more of your guys' time, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.